Alright guys, welcome to Awesome DIY today. A little frustration. I have a 02 Cadillac Escalade on 26-inch rims. Alright, and I did a pretty much like a 3-inch front, 3-inch in the rear drop, and I can't go anywhere to get it aligned. Everywhere I go, they say it's too low, whatever the reason is. There's not enough tire to mount it on the rack. Okay, so I don't understand why they sell 26-inch rims. You can't get it aligned anywhere. So knowing me, and this is what we call my channel, Awesome DIY, I did it myself. So I watched a couple YouTube videos. I'll put a couple links down below of the guys that I watched, and I'll show you the results at the end. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so sorry the audio cut off, so I'm going to do a little voiceover. So this is me just showing you right here where the nut is on the tie rod that you got to take off. And then right here, there's a flat spot on the tie rod, and this might be different for yours. This is an 02 Cadillac Escalade. It just helps you get a little extra strength. On mine, they were rusted shut, so I used some PB Blaster. I didn't realize that until after I busted up my hand, so that's just a little tip from Awesome Lawson on that one. And then right here, I'm just showing you, this is what I used as a focal point. OC Mechanics said to use some chalk, mark a line somewhere, but I just used the inner tire tread on the passenger side and measured it to the driver's side and got my measurement. And the same thing on the back side of the tire, you get the same kind of measurement. I use the same tire, inner tire tread, so it's just probably the best thing is just use the same spot each time and got my measurements right. So if in this case mine were like in the front measurement 71.5 and the rear was like 73, so you go back to your tie rod and you either turn them out to make sure you square it up, or you turn them in to make sure you get the measurements you needed, so that way when you go back to measure both sides you're getting basically the equal length. So in my case they were like a little bit under 72 inches on the front measurement and the back side of the tire measurement. And make sure before you do that too, you turn your steering wheel straight. That was what was driving me nuts more than anything, was just having my steering wheel turned all cockeyed to like the left side. It just drove me nuts. So square up your steering wheel, then go down, bust off the nuts on each side, get your measurements, and then that way you can even look and see your tires are squared straight up. They're not going to be like going in and out, and that should really help you kind of feel like comfortable about which way they're going to be driving. And then it is going to take some more trial and error. I mean, the hour I spent trying to find somebody to do it for me, I just spent the hour doing it myself. Saved me $120. Those guys don't give you a guarantee anyway, so what's the point, right? So, like I said, this worked for me. I do got to go do it again after about a week. It still kind of pulls a little bit to the right, so I will go back in. But save $120. You get a Awesome Lawson DIY seal approval. This does work. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video of how to align your 26-inch rims. If you have any questions or comments, please do so, and like and subscribe. All right, guys, see you later.
Paroxysm.